Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to do a little quick walk around, give you a little midweek update, what's going on, what we're working on. So let's get started. Anyway, let's see. We got the little Nissan out there with the front bumper off of it. Little black Nissan right here. I'm not sure exactly everything it is. I know the front bumper is. Let's see if we can find a list on it. Yeah, front cover, rear grille. Like I said, it's got a front bumper on it, but it's tells us it's new to raw material. Got some scratches down the fender and the door. I think there's a spot over here on the other side. Needs some repair. Let's see. Got the little black Hyundai fixed, inspected today. Got the Nissan right here, the Frontier. Got it inspected today. Be ready for sale as soon as the title comes back in. Right there, got it inspected. Let's see, got Drake over here. I think he's polishing up some chrome. Are you polishing up some chrome?
Well, no.
No.
Polishing up stainless.
Polishing up some stainless. Making it look like it's chrome.
Yeah.
Look at that shine. Look at that shine.
Yeah.
Getting that ready for the old poncho over there. Got Junior over here working on tailgate. Getting it worked out. Big Dodge. Right here at the Pontiac. Getting it ready for the rod run this Saturday. Have no really good before ones of it. You can see some of the older videos. Got the motor cleaned up, all the brackets and all that painted. Got the air conditioner added to it. Trying to get the air charged up. Got the interior put together. Walk around here so we can see. Got the seats, door panels. Kinsey done them back panels right there. Turned out very nice. Look how good them turned out. Door panels right there. Got the dash painted, the instrument cluster refinished, steering wheel all fixed up real nice, seats all real nice. Gonna make this thing a looker. Taking it up there to the mountains. Camaro's still ready for blocking. We got the rest of the parts of the paint booth, getting them blocked. Toyota's coming along over there, getting the front end back together on it. But that's about all we got going on this week. Been working on this mostly, so appreciate everybody tuning in. Like, subscribe. We got hats, t-shirts, a couple hoodies left. Turkey trot coming up in November, don't forget. 256 Garage out.